This is a sped up video of me mountain biking the abandoned stretch of US Highway 60 located just east of the little town of Superior, Arizona. Now, this is a public trail that is open to everyone, and if you get the chance, you should definitely check it out. In just a few minutes here, I'll stop talking and let you enjoy the music and the views, but a couple things I want to point out real quick. Number one, I did do a video detailing the history of this abandoned stretch of highway. So if that is something that you want to check out, just click the card at the end of this video, and I will also have it linked down in the description. And number two, some of you are probably thinking, how am I able to record and bike at the same time? Well, I am using the feature called Active Track on my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, which allows me to scan a subject, such as myself, and once the drone recognizes it, it will continuously follow it, while doing its best to avoid any obstacles. And this one did a pretty good job. And if you want to learn a little bit more about that drone or are interested in purchasing it, I'll be sure to link that drone along with all the other accessories that I use down in the description. Just do me a favor and share this video with a friend or family member that you plan on riding this trail with. And without further ado, I hope you enjoy the ride.